This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to switch accounts on Moomoo. Whether you're managing multiple portfolios or just need to switch to a different account for a specific task, I'll guide you through the process with ease. First, you'll want to start by opening the Moomoo app on your device. Make sure you're connected to the internet, as you'll need an active connection to access your account information. Once the app is open, you'll notice a variety of options on the screen. What you want to focus on is the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. The next step is to tap the Me button, which you'll find in the bottom right corner. This button is your gateway to all things personal within the app, including your account settings and preferences. Once you tap on it, you'll be taken to a page that displays your profile information and various options related to your account. Now, it's time to scroll down until you see the Settings option. This section is where you can manage different aspects of your Moomoo experience, from notification preferences to privacy settings. Tap on Settings to access these options. Within the Settings menu, continue to scroll down until you find the Switch Account option. This is the feature that allows you to move seamlessly between different accounts you have set up on Moomoo. Tap on Switch Account, and you'll be presented with a list of the accounts associated with your app. Select the account you want to switch to by tapping on it. The app will then transition to the selected account, allowing you to access the specific portfolio or account details you need to manage. This feature is particularly useful if you're balancing multiple investment strategies or simply need to access different account information. And there you have it. That's how you switch accounts on Moomoo. With just a few taps, you can easily navigate between accounts, making your investment management more streamlined and efficient. Remember, switching accounts doesn't log you out of the app, so you can swiftly toggle between accounts without having to re-enter your login credentials each time. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in managing your Moomoo accounts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy investing!